All right, hey guys. So today we're going to be doing a really simple tutorial um, using a wand curler. We're going to get some really big, beautiful wand waves, curls, whatever you want to call it. Now the tool that I'll be using today is this in this size. I got this off of Amazon and it comes with different sizes. So you have this one, you have this one. I really probably maybe want to do a video doing all of them. Just so we can see the effects. Thinking about doing that one, but for right now, we're just gonna get into this, tutorial on how to get these wand curls, right? And once again, I'm using this size. I don't know what size it is, what inch it is, anything. I just know the look that I'm going for, and I know that's the size that I use. So let's just get started. I went to go take passport pictures today. And excuse me if y'all see me looking over here because that's where my mirror is. My mirror is right there. So I can actually see what I'm doing and what's going on. But let's get some clips. Ooh, and let's talk about these clips, y'all. Sally's been out of these type of clips for like months, like literally. And I don't know. Yeah, I mean, where do your stuff go? You know, it's not like it just gets up and walks away. Where does it go? Now I have a daughter, so that very well could be what's going on. Now, depending on whether you want volume or whether you want, everything to just be fluid, I think that determines whether you will split the sections and then go in there, section by section to wand. I'm not looking for tons of volume. I'm just looking for the curl, okay? So first things first is we're going to part your hair or your wig down the center. And I mean, I really don't need to part this because it's laying over here, but just in case, I keep pulling on my little necklace. Just in case I snatch some up with a fingernail, I want it to be kind of secured, right? And then I would take another section going from the top of the head all the way down to the ear. And then I pull that out. Or you can do equal parts, just like feel it. See what's, see what's popping. Throw that to the back. I will almost feel like it would be easier to start from the back and then throw the hair back there when I'm done than the front. I'm trying to show it to you guys on your head because a lot of people, I'm finding out a lot of customers, they don't have mannequins, so they end up doing a lot of this stuff on y'all's head, and it's harder to do on your head. It's not easier, it's definitely harder. So I want to try to help you guys with that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let's go. So what I did was I split my hair in half, right? So I have the left side, I have the right side, and then I split those sides in half. So we did hot dog, now we're gonna do hamburger. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the first piece, and you don't want really thick pieces. This is probably a good size right here. This piece right here is probably a good size. I don't know how much I got in here, so I'm gonna use it till it's gone. But brush that got to be spray through there, and then I got my glove because who's not gonna be burning their fingers up? Me. So of course the glove goes on the hand that's not holding the wand. And you're always gonna curl away from the face unless you're looking for a different kind of curl. So you're going to point your wand down, okay? Because placement is what makes a lot of this either really, really easy or super hard, and then you're overthinking it. So just place your wand down, because we're doing the bottom, okay? And then put it right here, and then just wand it back, just like that. Just like that. And this is why it's good to have the gloves on. So I'm gonna hold this for maybe 5 or 10 seconds. And then I'm gonna let it go in my hand. I'm gonna let it go in my hand. I wanna kind of hold it for another 5 to 10 seconds. And then there, we will let it go, okay? So you see that? You see that? And then now, like I said, it'd be easier to throw it behind your back. So a lot of this is really just working smarter and not harder, okay? Okay. And then now you should just be taking like small, you know, slices. So like even this slice, it could be argued that this slice is too big, but as y'all see, we finna go with it. Okay, we finna go with it. So I went ahead and did that. Okay. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to once again point it down, and we're rolling back. Now the closer you get to the head, the higher up your curl will be. I had a lot of people asking me, hey Brittany, I'm running out of curls. Like my curls start halfway. Well, that's because you started halfway with the wand curl. You want to get them tight, especially if you have longer hair. So if you have longer hair, you definitely want to start at the end of the barrel, so that you don't run out of barrel before you run out of hair. So it's just all about thinking about it just a little bit, you know, and then, so remember, we're going to hold that for 10 seconds. So think about it just a little bit. Think about what's going to be easier, and then go ahead and do it. So, you know, we're just holding that. Think about 10 seconds. Beautiful. Beautiful. You see that? Oh, and y'all really can't even see because my phone. That is so disrespectful. So, okay, now y'all can see. Y'all can see that. I had to scoot back a little. And then what we're going to do, we're going to throw that behind our backs. So, see, we're just working smarter and not harder. And you're just going to take pieces. Now I'm going to take this piece, because I thought that other piece was too big, but it worked out. So, of course, the smaller pieces, the longer that this will take for you. Now, I put my setting on 430. I'm not a cosmetologist, so y'all need to check what kind of hair you have. Make sure you don't go past the melting point, because if your real hair will melt, so can your fake hair. So there we go with that. Okay, there's another one, and we're going to just throw that back there. So we're almost done with the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the bottom, then we'll do the other side. almost, let me see, almost done. We just have the top section to do. Okay, so now you're going to take your wand curls and pull them. Just gonna pull them. This is gonna help loosen them up just a tad, so that the got-to-be glue isn't holding them hostage. We have to let them be free. We gotta let them show us who they really are. Okay, so we're pulling like that, and then after that, you can, you know, take pieces like this and split them in half, just like that. You can split them in half, so that you get more volume. So if you want more volume, you just, you know, split these pieces up or whatever. Just like that. Just like that. And that's how you get more volume. So even with these, I'm going to pull these apart, because these are at the very top, so it can't look like there's just 3 of them. That's not okay. Like I said, y'all, my mirror is over here, so forgive me for looking over here. But yeah, she have half of that over here. Okay. And this is the final look. And it's very easy, very simple to do. Once again, glueless. So I can take her off, let her rest. I can go to bed. Don't have to lay on my curls. And that's a wrap. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have questions, please leave them below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me guys what you want to see next. So I appreciate you for spending this time with me, and happy holidays.